Have you ever posted content idea you knew was great, but it barely got noticed? You're not alone. The problem isn't your idea, it is how you're marketing it. As someone with certificate in digital marketing who has worked in a bank as a marketer, I can tell you for free that marketing is the lifespan of every business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to market your content ideas and make it unmissable. Hi bestie, you're welcome back to my channel where we turn creators into content powerhouse. I'm Sandra, your guide to content creation, editing, monetization, and idea market. Today's topic is something every creator needs to master: how to market your content idea for massive engagement. And how to market your idea and make it screw-stopping and attention-grabbing. Here are things you need to work on. 1. The power of the hook. If your first 3 seconds don't grab attention, you lose. People are too busy that they don't have time to waste. Hooks are your first impression. There should be curiosity, urgency, and intrigue. That is your hook's job. Instead of saying my skincare routine, say I use this product to clear my skin in 7 days. That curiosity will make people to stay. Secondly, understand your audience deeply. You should be concerned about the kind of post your audience would like to engage in, what will make your audience to save and share your posts, and speak directly to their pain points, their dreams, and their daily struggle. The third point is visual packaging secret. Presentation is half the battle. Thumbnails, captions, and visuals must be bold and clean. It should be catchy and emotional. One glance should tell the story, just like Netflix covers. Build engagement into the content. Your content should naturally create engagement. Ask questions, use poll, say comment yes if you agree. People love to participate. Invite them to. You're not just creating content, you're building trust, inspiring action, and making impacts. So don't hide your brilliance behind poor marketing. Package your ideas like the gift they are. Someone out there is ready to hear you share your story, to hear you share your ideas. Subscribe if you're ready to level up your content game, and I will see you in my next video.